Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add a transition sound effect to your video. So I'm just going to add a transition first between these videos by pressing this line, and then and then there's just a lot to choose from. You can choose anything you want. For instance, this white ink, or like this wave left one. And then after that, you're going to go to audio effects, and you're going to go to transition, which is this one. And for instance, I'm going to add this swish one, or the whoosh one. So I'm just going to press the download button, and I'm just going to add the sound effect here, so it'll create a swish sort of sound when there is a transition, like so. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!